my god.
But that's big. Look at that. Let me sit somewhere.
No way, that's awesome. Is he gonna honk the horn? That's awesome.
That thing can stop me. You said that thing's small, but that's enormous. The engine itself is pretty long. Look how long the engine is. Just the engine.
There's one car.
Oh.
It probably just dropped something off.
Buddy. That's an old guy driving that. He has to be in his 60s.
I already took a video.